Good day, Mom and Sir. I'm Harry Brendan. I'm 39 years old and I'm a single mother of 3 children. Their age was 20, 19, and 17 years old. I'm a high school graduate and I'm a Roman Catholic. I worked in Jordan for 2 years, since February 16, 2016 until March 31, 2018. My second work experience was in Saudi for 6 years, since August 5, 2018 until December 31, 2024. I worked in Jordan for 7 family members, including with the father, the mother, and the 5 children. Their age was 16, 13, 9, 6, and 2 years old. I worked in Saudi for 5 family members, including with the father, the mother, and the 3 children. Their age was 14, 10, and 3 years old. My main duties are cleaning the house, washing ironing clothes, cooking, and taking care of the children. In Jordan, I worked in apartment style. In Saudi, their house was a 2 stories house. For my future employer, I want to work to Romanian because I want to explore other culture and to help my parents live, most especially to my children's future. To my future employer, if you hire me, I promise I follow your rules and regulations. I'm obedient, hardworking, and trustworthy. Thank you.